Hello everyone, this is Steven. Welcome back to LT800 showroom. Nowadays, there's a trend that most of complex equipment are becoming more simpler and easier to operate. We all know that the biggest enemy for production line is the downtime cost. Time is money. Some major corporations like Unilever, Nestle, their downtime cost is over hundreds of thousands of dollars per hour. They cannot afford a long downtime cost for their production. So let's push our technology, move forward, and keep innovating. When you install a printer, you have to consider how much time you have to spend to install it. What is the shortest time to make it running functional without fail? How long time you should spend to maintain a printer? All those factors are very important for a stable and reliable industry inkjet printer. Our design concept for LT800 is simple structure, easy operation, and quick diagnosis. When there is any problem happen, people will easily find out what is the main reason. Most of the key components of LT800 is modularized. It has less spare parts and more easy to replace. You don't have to spend too much time to fix a printer, which makes our printer more easy to maintain. In the future, we are also thinking to add more functions, such as the building help. We will include the installation videos, troubleshooting guidance, and user manuals in building help. If customer has any questions, they can watch the videos and fix by themselves. There is more functions that LT800 is doing to make things easier. We welcome you to give us your valuable comments or suggestions for our printer. Feel free to contact us at lt@ltech.ltd. Thank you for watching and see you next time.